Hi, welcome to the Amoretti kitchen. Today we're going to be making a Violet Lavender Matcha Latte using Amoretti's Violet Lavender syrup and matcha powder. So the first thing we're going to do is get our milk heated up. Today I'm using some oat milk, and you can use any milk of your choice. Rice milk, soy milk, coconut milk, regular milk, whichever you prefer. While that is heating up, we're going to go ahead and get our matcha powder. Put it in your cup, and I have set aside about an ounce of my oat milk, and I'm going to pour it into the matcha, and I'm going to use a little immersion blender, and we're going to want to get all those little clumps out. I used 1.5 teaspoons of matcha powder because I like it a bit stronger in the matcha flavor department, but by all means use a little less or even a little more. Now that we've gotten all the clumps out of here and it's nice and smooth, we're going to go ahead and do 2 pumps of violet lavender syrup. I really like the violet lavender syrup because it really stands up to the strong flavor of the matcha. Give it another quick little zhuzh, and we're ready to pour in the milk. And we're going to do one final blitz to make sure the flavor is fully incorporated and get a little froth on top. And there you have it, Amoretti's Violet Lavender Matcha Latte. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. When you make this recipe, take a picture and tag us on social media. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell down below so you'll never miss a recipe. And make sure to subscribe to our newsletter to stay up to date on all of our promos, discounts, and giveaways. See you next time.